Hi everyone, Rainey here with whyamigreen.com, and today I'm going to be going into a special store. It's called Tractor Supply Company. This kind of is the, I guess you could say, the supply store for anyone in the homesteading or gardening type industry. They have virtually everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through here, videotaping it with my hat cam. And the cool thing about the hat cam is whatever I see, you see. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting out, they have all kinds of trailers, as you can see here in the parking lot. Trailers pretty much for every size, everything you might want to deal with. Down there it looks like they have fencing. Let's take a look at the fencing to start with. A lot of people like to use this kind of fencing for their garden. Be able to fence up your tomatoes and cucumbers and tall things. So these are 4x8 fencing here. Wow, these are big ones. 4 would that be 12 probably? Unfortunately, there's no prices on it. We're still early. This is April. It's actually April 18th, I believe, today. Looks like they have parts for kennels and everything. Lime for your garden. So pretty much anything you need, from mulch to peat moss. $2 cubic feet, $9. You can see, so quite a bit of things. Topsoil. Raised bed soil. I didn't know they had a special kind of soil for raised beds. So pretty much any kind of soil you'd need. They sell trees. What do we have here? Different kinds of flowering trees. Oh, fruit trees. Max. Peach. So quite a few different things here. Look at some of the prices here. So $26 seems to be the going price. They've got plants out already. Tomatoes, patio, kale, lettuce, all kinds of things. Oh, the peppers are out. Might have to come back here to get some later. I have some peppers growing, just germinating now. They haven't come up, but if they don't come up, I know where to get some small peppers for only $3.78 each. Okay, so let's go in the store. Hi. Good. A lot of Western clothing, hats. But we're more here for the homesteading thing, so let's see what else they got. Chicken wire, fencing. Ooh. Looks like they might be sold out of their birds. Yeah, looks like they're completely sold out of birds. They got pet food. Now for gardening, there's all kinds of buckets. Look at those big buckets you could use for trees up there. I'm a bucket person, so I like to see all the different buckets they got. Metal ones, big plastic brute up there. A lot of feeders, every kind of animal feeder you could think of. A hen hydrator, I haven't heard of that before. Huh. Food for goats and livestock, and plastic sheathing, chicken wire, different sizes. But when it comes to fencing, they get just about every kind of fence post you need. Most of this is boating supplies. Oh, PVC. I don't see where they have the PVC piping itself, the long pipe, but they have plenty of fittings. That's good to know if I can't find what I need. I was looking for one of these the other day, just to open and close. Water. They probably have that you tell them what you need and they probably get it for you out back or something. Don't see where they have a lot of room for storage in here for the long pipe. Pumps. Those are more for the big sump pumps. Hi. All kinds of lawn statues and ornaments and things. Oh, potting stand, look at that. It's like a wash tub. That's kind of neat. That's an interesting planter. Organic, a lot of organic seeds, that's great. These are all organic seeds. Ooh, small trees. Oh, $12 trees. Cherry, apple. Pear, plum, and peach. More seeds. Tools on the other end. Something here I found interesting last time. Let me see if I can find it again for you. Here it is, a composter. Interesting little tool. So if you don't want to make your own composters, you can come here and get one. I know when I was here a few weeks ago, they had a couple choices. They had one that was a dual composter, so split in half. Oh, here it is. You can see there's two up there. Dual tumbler. Produces compost in 2 weeks. Compost tea collecting based. No assembly required. Wow, this is pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.